loves, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another hair review. Today's unit is proudly sponsored by Xrsbeauty. I have worked with this brand before and absolutely obsessed with their hair. They once sent my birthday hair was from Xrsbeauty. Love them so much. So they sent me this gorgeous 16-inch 150 density Italiaki straight. Italiaki straight, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. You guys see I did a little cute high bun over there situation. I aced it, if I do say so myself. Okay, but absolutely love this hair. Also, they have a new type of lace, which is called the new clear lace. Before, they used to use the transparent one, as you can see, but I already showed you guys, but I'm just showing you one more time. This is the transparent one, and then this is the clear one. You can't even see what the hell is going on with that one. But this hair is absolutely amazing. I don't want to lie to you guys, there was no shedding at all. I don't know, maybe it's because it is a texture that I've never tried, and also there was no amount of cutting that could literally make me that could make the hair shed that much, because the only thing I did was just, you guys will see, I didn't even need baby hair because of how what lace. Like, you guys know I die for baby hairs, but I said I don't even need baby hairs for this because this hair is absolutely incredible. So with that being said, please do check the link in the description box if you guys would like to purchase this gorgeous unit. But I'm not gonna hold you down, this hair is absolutely amazing. I think I'm actually gonna buy it because I want to try a longer length. It's giving natural, it's giving it's my hair, you know what I'm saying. Also, the clear lace makes everything 10 times better because it literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. But with that being said, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow XRS on all social media platforms. I'm obsessed. Also follow XRS on all social media platforms, and also go and purchase this wig. I'll leave the link in the description box in case you want to use my discount code so you can get some coins off your purchase. But with that being said, let us get straight into this video. It's giving Chun-Li, but it's giving my. I'm so obsessed. I love this hair. I love this hair so much. Okay, buy it now. So this is the box that came with the hair. Xrsbeauty. Guys, if you hear that sound in the background, just know that that's my fan. It is very hot, so I had to use a fan. Of course, they sent me these are the goodies that were inside. It's a comb, an elastic band, of course a wig cap, and they sent me this to put obviously, and then they sent me bendy rollers just in case I want to roll my hair. But the star of the show, of course, let me just put the box right here. The star of the show, of course, is this gorgeous unit. This is the oh, sorry, they wrote me a little note. Let me just read it for you guys. Dear Oli, thank you so much for cooperating with us again. Our brand name XRS, read as Chris Chu. Okay. Here are some requests for this clear lace video, as we talked about. There are two pieces sample on your package: new clear lace and the regular transparent lace. So I'm gonna take these. Where are they? Oh, there we go. So this is the new clear lace. I'm gonna take them out, sorry. Okay, so I don't want to ruin them because I want to show you guys properly. Let me use a scissor because I really don't want to ruin them. Okay, so this is the transparent lace. No, sorry, this is the new clear lace. This is how it looks. Whoa, you can't even see. This is the clear lace. Wow, you can't even see it. And then this is the transparent lace, which you can somewhat to an extent see. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the transparent lace, and then this is the new clear one. So I'm assuming on the wig it is the new clear one, which I would be so stoked for because it would look absolutely amazing. But yeah, those are the two new laces. Obviously this one is a bit more thinner, and this one is, because even with the texture it's a bit different. This one is a bit rough and this one is a bit more softer. So I don't know which one is on the wig. So this is the how many inches is this? Let me see. They sent me this oh, so this is their 16 inches 150 density new clearless and clean hairline skin melt clear Swiss lace wear and go Italy yaki straight 13x6 lace frontal wig. Okay, so this is the new hair. I've never in my life worn a kinky wig before. It looks like black woman's hair. So this is what it looks like with the new clearless technology. And then this is it inside. It came with 3 pins, 1, 2, 3, and then obviously one more down there. I'm gonna cut this one off and then we're going to insert the wig on me. I think this one should be just a, I'm not gonna talk much, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do everything. So yeah, let's get into the video.
just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close. Let's not get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Hey, go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to just what you're doing now.